August 7th. And we're all almost sitting up. Let's see. You're doing it. Just a little bit of help in the back. You're sitting up. What do you think? Hi. All by yourself. Oh. What are you looking for? Whoop. Almost. You just want to suck your thumb. Alright, try it again. Whoa. Whoa. Alright, you can relax. Yeah, you want to try it again? No? You were so close. You just want to suck your thumb. Say hi. Hi, everyone. Say hi. All right, one more time. Ready? Up, 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 up. Can you do it? Can you do it? Whoop. Nope. Are you getting some teeth? There you are. Whoa! You fell down. Yeah.